Year 3, it's Miss Sumner and we are back to home learning, and we're just going to recap a simple skill of simple subtracting, and then tomorrow we'll move on to where you have to rename, where it gets a little bit more complicated. Just 2 days on subtracting today. Your first in focus is that there are 975 beads in a jar, and Emma's been very busy because she uses 723 of the beads. Your question is how many beads were left in the jar. Pause the video and write as many different methods as you can. You could draw place value counters, you could draw deans, you could do a formal method, you could partition them into the hundreds, tens and ones. Let's see what you can do. Pause the video. So some of the methods you might have done is a formal method. So starting with the ones, 5 ones take away 3 ones is 2 ones. 7 tens take away 2 tens is 5 tens. And 900 take away 700 is 200. So you end up with 252. Let's see if the other method gets you there. So this one I've partitioned. So I've partitioned it into its hundreds, tens and ones. Let's start with the ones. 5 ones take away 3 ones is 2 ones. Tens is 7 tens take away 2 tens, or 70 take away 20, which is 50. And the hundreds, 900s take away 700s is 200s. Put it all together and you get 252. And you might have also drawn a picture. So I've got some place value counters here of 975. And I'm just going to get rid of, subtract what I'm doing. So 3 ones I'm going to get rid of. 1, 2, 3. And that leaves me with 2 ones. It's minus 2 tens. So I'm going to cross out 2 tens, leaving me with 5 tens. And the hundreds, 900s take away 700s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that leaves me with 200s. And a number sentence here, or not a number sentence, a natural sentence saying that there were 252 beads left in the jar. Now in the book it uses deans, and just note this terminology here. It's subtract 723 from 975. And I know from teaching this many of times, some people do the first number first and then try and take away the bigger number, which is not correct. You want to subtract 733 from the larger number, so your larger number will be on the top. So step 1, exactly the same as what I did before. Make sure you line up your columns. You've got the ones where you're getting rid of 3 and leaving with 2 ones. You subtract the tens, so I'm subtracting 2 tens from the 7 tens, leaving me with 5 tens. And step 3, moving on to the hundreds, subtracting 700s from the 900s, leaving you with 200s. And then you've got that sentence at the end. Your guided practice today is 4 questions that I'd like you to do on your own or with a partner, maybe a sister or brother, and writing the answers down ready for the answers. Pause the video now and have a go. If you get any wrong, you can speak to an adult or message your teacher who'll give you an answer. So here's your answers. Just give those a little mark. And then your task today is worksheet 15, 2 pages, and I think you'll get on quite well with these. If you have got a bit of time, we don't really want you spending more than about 50 minutes on maths, but there is an extension question. So can you find 3 subtraction calculations that equal the same answer? So I have chosen 224, and I have come up with 3 number sentences ending in 224. You might want to go for something easier to start with, something like 500. So you could do 600 take away 100, or 700 take away 200. Make it as complicated or as easy as you want. Show your teacher all of your work and send it in on the Teams, and let us know if you've got any problems. Have a good day. Bye.